She's having fun, Mom. I'm having fun, Mom. Yeah. And he's got it up there where it can't come loose on her.
Yeah. What you see, Belle May?
Matt, you want to show me and Javi's project? Want to see me and Javi's project?
Are they those buttons there?
Hey, you want to see me and my...
Ethan, want to say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Can you sing for me?
Jingle bell, jingle all the way, all the fun.
It is to ride.
All the way, jingle bell, all the way, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Oh, what?
Hey, what's your name, Javi's project?
Don't y'all know I'm trying to film Bella here?
My bad. Your dog would move.
I know, my dog is always the problem.
Are those buttons left out over there?
Yeah. Bye-bye, Bella. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love that baby. Love that baby. Yeah, whatever, Mom. Back up off me. Daphne, get somewhere.
She is enjoying that thing. You like that, Bella?
Amen for
Did you
60th
know that was
percentile.
what was in that wrapped up?
No.
Did you think that's what it was?
No, I didn't know what it was.
Ah. I tried to talk Billy into saving it and having it in here for you.
I figured y'all had a conversation about something like that. When you called earlier today, he wouldn't tell me what y'all were talking about.
For Santa Claus and that one.
How long could this is 2 minutes and 16 seconds of watching that baby do this. And I just can't get enough. Daphne, what's that baby doing?
Going to town. Oh, let me just tell you too.